Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventures! In this lesson, we will spell and read words with a short vowel E. Come, spell and read with me. Repeat after me. Beg. B-E-G. Let's spell the word again. B-E-G. Beg. Let's read the sentence. Mel begs for food. Mel begs for food. Keg. K-E-G. Let's spell that again. K-E-G. Keg. Read the words after me. This is a keg. This is a keg. Leg. L-E-G. Let's spell that again. L-E-G. Leg. Let's read the sentence. The cat has 4 legs. The cat has 4 legs. Peg. P-E-G. Let's spell the word one more time. P-E-G. Peg. Read the words after me. The pegs hold the clothes in place. The pegs hold the clothes in place. Bell. B-E-L-L. Let's spell that again. B-E-L-L. Bell. Let's read the sentence. Sally rings the bell. Sally rings the bell. Fell. F-E-L-L. Let's spell that again. F-E-L-L. Fell. Read the words after me. Dan fell off his bike. Dan fell off his bike. Sell. S-E-L-L. Let's spell the word one more time. S-E-L-L. Sell. Let's read the sentence. The man sells vegetables. The man sells vegetables. Tell. T E L L. Let's spell that again. T E L L. Tell. Read the words after me. Ren tells Meg a secret. Ren tells Meg a secret. Well. W E L L. Let's spell the word again. W E L L. Well. Read the words after me. The well is full of water. The well is full of water. Yell. Y E L L. Let's spell the word one more time. Y E L L. Yell. Let's read the sentence. Joy yells at her classmate. Joy yells at her classmate. Great job, kids! You did it! Continue practicing so that you can improve your spelling and reading skills. See you in our next lesson. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like, subscribe, and share.